Hey guys, so I'm just gonna go over the example dot plot and create one of my own with some fabricated numbers here. So over here you can see number of siblings. This is a dot plot with labeled landmarks. So each dot represents a piece of data. In this case, they probably surveyed students and three students you can see here had zero siblings, where one student over here had eight siblings. So I have data over here. I have, I think, 4, 8, 12, 13 numbers that I'm going to put on my dot plot. So what I need to do is I listed them smallest to greatest, and I just need to put a dot above my line for each number. So I have a 3, a 6, a 9, and if you look, I have two nines, so I stack them. I have three 11s, so I stack them. I've got a 14, 15, 16, 18. They're kind of getting tight in here, 19, and finally a 42. Okay, so now when I look at this information, I can use some of these data landmarks and say my minimum would be 3, my maximum is 42. The range is the difference between those. So I can do 42 minus 3. My range is actually 39, and that can kind of go off to the side, just kind of like they did up here. The median is the middle value. And I'm going to skip that one and come back to it because the mode is a little easier. The mode is the most frequent. Well, there's three dots right here at 11, so that would be my mode. To figure out my median, what I'm going to do, I'm going to change colors, and I cross them off, and I go smallest, biggest, and I make sure I kind of count them smallest, biggest. Now I have to cross off this one on top of it before I get to the next one. Smallest, biggest, and my median just also happens to be 11. Okay, and that was my median, and that's the middle value. Okay, so you can see here how to create a dot plot and then how to apply those data landmarks. I did throw this one in here, a vocab word later on that we'll use. It is called an outlier. And what an outlier is, it's one that doesn't quite make sense or one that's kind of on the outside of the normal data. And I would say all of these over here would be normal data, and that one's kind of an outlier. Some bonus information for you. Hope that helps with your dot plots and data landmarks.